Check out our newest update. Now we have click tracking in your email campaigns. This feature enables you to monitor and analyze the performance of your email links, helping you understand user engagement and optimize for email marketing. Obviously, there are a ton of benefits with this. First of all, now you can really measure your specific engagement because you can track how many people are clicking on your links. You can also optimize your content, and you're going to know how to do that because now you can figure out which links are being clicked on the most. What is the content people are loving to click on? It's also going to improve your return on investment because when you utilize this click data, you can make informed decisions and you can better market. This feature is going to enable you to really monitor and analyze the performance of all of your email links, helping you understand the user engagement, and you're going to now be able to optimize for your email marketing strategy. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an example here, which might be newsletters where you're sharing data. Newsletters are a really great way for you to be able to share information and find out what people are actually interested in. With this update, you're really going to be able to hone in on who is clicking what, and more specifically, what is popular. What is your audience loving more information about? Let me show you exactly how to find this new update. First, you need to have a campaign or you need to create one. So we're going to go into marketing, then emails, then campaigns, and then you're either going to add a new campaign or you're going to edit one. Now, once you've got that set up, you're going to click on the send or schedule link. And within that, you're going to see the ability to toggle on link tracking. What's really cool about this is you'll also now be able to see all of those statistics very easily. So you want to be under that specific email campaign that you created, and then you're going to click on the kebab, which are the three little vertical dots. And once you do that, you're going to select statistics. You can click on load more statistics to get all of the really juicy information about those link clicks. Now you'll be able to analyze your link click performance. You'll also be able to get the details on those links. This feature provides you with actionable insight to enhance your email marketing strategy and improve your overall marketing campaign performance. The more you know, the better you can market. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.